Guys, I thought it was over. I thought it was over, but there's a lot going on right now. I don't know why I ended the stream. I don't know why I ended the stream, so I'm gonna continue streaming on this one. So this is just think of this as the same stream because it kind of is just the same stream. Um, so yeah, there's a lot going on. So we got a bunch of flash flood warnings in the Mid Atlantic region right now. Um, so, anyways, please think that this is the same stream because I kind of messed up. Um, I am ashamed of you for ending it. I apologize about that. Hello, GJP. What's up, bro? How you doing? Never seen you join one of my weather streams before. Although you are a part of the Electro Living Weather, or the Electro Living Music thing. That's my other channel, by the way. I promote stuff on it. Anyways, yeah. Super duper close. There's a lot going on. So I'm gonna continue. Can you look at the Western Self Storm? Sure. So right here, this is the one that you're in, right? Goldmaster. I'm in Loudon. All right. All right. Yeah, that's coming down. That's going south. Very lightly. It's going south very slowly. The line of storms is turning into a bow echo. Um, I wouldn't really call that a bow echo because first things first, it is too small, and it's not really going out. Like, I look at a bow echo kind of like this. That is like this. So that's pretty much almost straight. Mother Nature was mad you ended the stream, so she send her severe storms towards you so you can start the stream again. I mean, yeah, that kind of seems like it. um, anyway, uh, bruh, that's nice. Anyway, extremely windy conditions outside right now, so um so we got 3 flash flood warnings. No, 4, I'm sorry. All right there, clustered in one. Um Severe storm warning for Loudon. No, there's not actually. But possible flash flood warning? Yeah. possible flash flood warning. So don't be well, it's not 100% that you're going to get a flash flood warning, but it's possible from these slow moving cells. The Baltimore storm looks really neat. Well, it did, but it's kind of now dying out. Yeah, 45,000 foot echoes. So it did have a nice build. But now it's kind of, well, it still is kind of got a nice build, but kind of is dying down. It was really big back then. Right next to Leesburg Executive Airport. So it's going south. Yeah, that's what it looks like. This part looks really good. That's a really nice part of the storm. Yeah, there's probably a hail core in this. There is actually a hail core. Yep, that's moving south. So we have some stuff going on up here as well. We just have a big cluster of cells right here. A big cluster of slow moving cells. And yeah, these are moving south, but really, really slowly. Winds are really starting to pick up here. Any rotation? I do not know. Let me check. No, I don't see that there is any rotation. Yeah, there's no rotation. I'm just say that there's no rotation. It'd be kind of obvious if there was, but so moving south. This is moving south very slowly. Nearly stationary. If you don't know what nearly stationary means, it means that it's barely even moving, or it's just sitting there. And that's what we're seeing above DC going south, at a nearly stationary speed, slow speed. So this part here looks to have a bunch of rain. 61, 60, 60 decibels. It might miss DC. Probably right on that. It's pretty much gonna track down like this. Or it's probably a little too. Probably down like this. This part here. All this here is gonna track down like this. Yeah, and yeah, pretty much. So life-threatening flash flooding in Maryland, just north of DC and just north of Silver Spring. Baltimore storm goes south. I can't tell you that. I cannot tell you that because it's so hard to see where these are going because they're so slow. And I mean, this one here is not even moving at all. Like this one here is just not moving. It barely even is moving. So Baltimore storm goes south. So again, big flash flood potential with these. Very slow moving, so hold on 1 second. Interesting. Okay, yeah, this is just it's not moving. It's just not moving. Yeah, it might be going south very little. Okay, now I'm seeing this is going this way, and this one's going this way. That's what I'm seeing. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's what I'm seeing, kind of. You are still here, great. If you guys want to invite people to the stream, please do. I would be very appreciated if you did that. Also, get them to know what's going on. So, the storm right here is about 9 miles northwest of Washington, D.C., the center part. So, yeah. Yeah, moving south really slowly. Really slowly. So I have the flash flood warning here. So, oh, that's got a lot of lightning in it. This part here has a lot of lightning in it. Severe warning. I mean, it's not severe warned yet, but it could. It's all based on the winds. JK. I mean, serious note, it could. It could. So, yeah, I said JK. I know, I saw it. So, oh, I just got a lightning alert. Or I think it's a lightning alert. It is a lightning alert. So, that means there's a storm nearby, which kind of obvious there is. Line of storms, Cumberland. Coming to DC. Cumberland, where is that? Near Chambersburg. Oh, I see what you're talking about. All of these? Those are moving really slowly, and I do not believe that they're going to make their way to DC because, first things first, you got all the mountains here. So that'll pretty much kill them off. Another thing is they're moving really slow. So another thing. But yeah, mainly because they're of the mountains. But I don't even think they're even coming to DC because they're so slow. Like, they're really slow. Very high velocities in there. Oh, there's really high velocities in this one, or relatively high velocities. So yeah, this has got windy conditions in it. I would not be surprised if they put a severe warning on that. It's potential they might. There's some severe warnings in the Central Plains. Play music. I probably should. I'd probably get more people in here, so. Probably a good idea. Gosh, that's loud. Alright, let's turn that down all the way so really quiet so I can concentrate. Electro vibes, what is going on, my man? How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. If you are, that is great to hear. Hey, how is everyone doing? I'm doing really good. I'm so glad you're here because we got some stuff going on. We got a storm coming towards DC. We're going west or coming towards the western part of DC. So let me turn that down. Okay, lightning very close to me. There's a huge lightning thing with this. Just now sitting down after a long Wednesday. We got a fairly decent hail core in this one. Oh, let me check this actually. Fair, but not the largest I've seen. Anyways, yeah. Glad y'all are good. Indeed. Just got another lightning alert. So, Yeah. Yep, all of these here. Yep, this is moving south. Very slow pace, though. It's a very slow mover. Yep, south. Yeah, very slow. That's why we have a bunch of flash flood warnings all right here. So, again, moderate risk for rainfall, excessive rainfall for the mid-Atlantic. DC's in it, Baltimore's in it, Philly's in it. We're all in it. So, it's probably just because of all the slow moving storms. So that storm is basically stationary if it's moving very slow. Yeah, it pretty much is stationary. I'll agree with you on that. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, what's the speed and echoes? I'm gonna say the speed is nearly stationary because I'm just gonna say all of these are nearly stationary. Probably not even 10 miles an hour. So let's go and take a look at the echo tops, and seeing highest echo tops at 50,000 feet in the storm here. Right here. So this is for the Loudoun County, Leesburg storm. So relatively high echoes in the storm here in Loudoun County, just east of Leesburg. Echoes is extremely unlikely to be over 90,000 feet electro weather. Pretty much, it's very unlikely. These are at 50,000 feet, not 90,000, so... Make fish gang mod. He's been here for quite a bit, actually, so I'll think about it. I'll give him mod within the next few days. How about that? So Syrian Fish Gang is probably gonna get mod, so alright. Um the odds of it getting that high for the echo tops is almost impossible. What do you think? I've never seen that. I've never seen echoes that high, so kind of right. Nasty looking thing. Yeah, very true. Nasty looking cell here. This thing has been sitting over here for a while. Yeah, this will potentially get a flash flood warning on it. For the whole area right here is probably going to get a flash flood warning. Actually, living weather. What part of Fairfax County is it in? It's in northwestern Fairfax County, basically where Reston is. So, looks stationary. It is very stationary. Yeah, that's not even moving. It is not moving at all, guys. This part here looks to be kind of dying out. You never know, it might actually re-strengthen, but kind of unlikely it will, in my opinion. Bright red. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is really slow moving. So it's the Reston Hardin area. Is that correct? It's in the Reston area. It's in Reston. Herndon. Reston, Herndon. Yeah, you're right. You're right, Brad. Is there anything heading up to Long Island? Not really. Yeah, there's nothing around Long Island, so I would not be worried about anything at the moment. So, is that warned for flash flood? For flash flooding or not? It's not. Well, there's a flash flood warning just north of Washington, D.C. in Maryland, but there's no flash flood warning in Fairfax County or Loudoun County. So both of those areas do not have any flash flood warnings, but I could honestly see them potentially issuing a flash flood warning right here. Due to the rain being very heavy and it's just a stationary thunderstorm. So they could potentially do something about it. But it looks like it's producing 3 to 5 inches in not really. I wouldn't say it is. Like the stream and sub. Take his words. Please do it. I would really appreciate it. Very well appreciated. Um, how much rain an hour should you guess? I shouldn't guess. You probably shouldn't be guessing. Hold on. 1 hour difference. So yeah, I can actually see this. So that is not producing that much rain. So it's producing like just over an inch. Goodness. Yeah, don't ever guess. Winds are starting to come back up again. Storm is now affecting what has been affecting this area here, so is it severe yet or not? It's not. It is not severe. Um, this thing's kind of going together with this cluster of cells here. So we're seeing a kind of a cluster of cells here. Yeah, we are seeing a cluster of cells. Where is that? This is in Loudoun County and Fairfax County. And also the county that's up here. Just north of us, yeah. It's north west. It's no, yeah, northwest of me actually. But yeah, pretty much north of us. Have y'all heard about the massive sinkhole in Virginia today? I have not. And that seems pretty scary. That seems very scary. Being in a sinkhole. Winds are gusting really high. So this thing is coming in. It was in Manassas. It cut off an entire neighborhood. Oh my goodness, that's actually a pretty... Yeah, that's a big sinkhole. Yeah, they had to build a makeshift road to get folks out of the neighborhood. Flood warning. Anyways, how was your Wednesday, twin? It's pretty good. Oh, they just issued a flash flood warning for that area now. Oh, you're right. Rad, they did just issue a flash flood warning. See, I knew they would have done it at some point because that is a very big storm, and that is staying over them for like ever now. For like ever, like it's just been staying over them for a while. I mean, not forever, but I guess you guys get what I mean. So it's we are seeing something coming from this. We really are. Nearly stationary storm. There's currently a flash flood warning for extreme southeastern Montgomery County. What time does it expire? Is this the one from Montgomery County? It sure is. It expires at 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So, prayers to anyone infected. Yes, indeed. What time does the flash flood warning expire for the city of Leesburg? It expires at 10:30. It goes until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So like the stream and subscribe. Take his words, please. Always take his words whenever he sends that. Please do it. I'd be very appreciated if you did. Because right now there's like so much flash flooding in the mid-Atlantic. So 1 like equals 1 prayer. Let's just say that. 1 like equals 1 prayer. So this little cell here is developing again. Facts, Electro, indeed. What does the flash flood warning text say for the flash flood warning for Loudoun County? For the hazard, it says life-threatening flash flooding, heavy rain producing flash flooding. And that's the hazard. Yeah, this looks to be, yeah, this is pretty interesting. 45,000 foot echo tops. Down here it looks to be gaining echoes. There's a cell here that looks to be strengthening, potentially. So that'll probably, it's got a chance of affecting the DC, like the city of DC. So yeah, that interesting. Now this looks to be going this way. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks to be going in this direction. I mean, yeah, as I said, it's so hard to predict where these are going when they are moving so slow. Like, these are some slow moving cells. So I'm gonna go back to this one so I can see it better. Yeah, these are really slow. Crawling along, yeah. Wind gusts are climbing up. Five to 10 miles an hour at most. Yeah, you're probably right. 5 to 10 miles an hour at most. Yeah, these look to be moving past DC like this. This one looks to be kind of, this cell here looks to be kind of moving in that direction. So I'll just say more like this. What does the warning text say for the rainfall amounts for flash flood warning for Loudoun County? Like, what do you mean? Like, you want the hazard? Or the impact? What? I don't know what part you want of this. Like 3 to 5 inches in the past hour. There hasn't been that many. 2 inches have already fallen. Up to 2 inches of rain has already fallen. So I mean, yeah, more rain is probably expected. Rain of 1 to 2 inches is expected in the next hour. Yeah, more rain and flooding. Yeah. I can't even... Do you think 22 inches of rain an hour would cause flash flooding? Quite obvious, and that has never happened. I don't... Well, I haven't seen that happen on here, and I haven't seen that happen at all. Unless if you're talking about like Hurricane Harvey, then I don't know. I'd probably say more of like 10 inches of rain have fallen an hour in Hurricane Harvey, but not 22. So, there's some really dark clouds off to my east or west, sorry. Very dark clouds to my east. Really wish I could show you guys. Cause yeah, those are some really dark clouds. Oh, hold on. How far away? Probably like 10 miles away. Yeah, those are some really impressive clouds I'm seeing right now. My goodness. All right. How close away is it? How far away is the closest thunderstorm to Berg from Leesburg? Just gonna pick this one. No, I'm gonna pick the closest one. I think it's this one here in Burke. Where is Burke? Okay, Burke is right there. I'm probably gonna guess that this is the closest one. Let's go ahead and take a look. 17 miles northwest of Burke. That's how far away this storm is from Burke. 17.3 miles. So, So, yeah, this is going through Loudoun County and parts of Fairfax. So, it's got a lightning alert. Another one. I'm getting lightning alert after lightning alert from all of this. Is it moving towards Burke or moving northwest? It's actually not going towards Burke. It's actually going directly southeast, so it's just probably gonna pass next to Burke. And probably more like this. So yeah, I don't think that's coming towards Burke. I don't think it's gonna even. I don't think Burke is really gonna see effects from it because it's so far. This little shower here looks to be going that way. Looks to be strengthening. Really? It honestly looks to be weakening right here. So all of this here looks to be weakening. But this here looks to be strengthening. As if I'm seeing. So... So but we got some stuff down here as well. In the Chesapeake Bay off of Virginia. Right here. There's a special marine warning. So that's a little interesting. We got a mesocyclone reading. I'm not sure why that is reading it as a mesocyclone. Yeah, they're expecting 1 to 2 inches an hour. Yeah, probably could see that happening. Yeah, there's just a lot of rainfall with these. On the Baltimore Nova scanners now. Actually, whether I just got lightning alert saying it's... Really? I don't see any lightning near Burr. I mean, if you did, then that's interesting. Yeah, this does not look to be producing lightning near Burke. So if you did get a lightning alert saying it's that far, then that's really strange. Looks like a lot of energy for sure. There's a lot of energy with these. This rain looks to be building up again. Yellow and red, yeah. 40,000 foot echoes are higher. I can check. I'll check for you. And which part are you talking about? Like, which part are you like saying that? Are you saying like this storm here? That's just kind of west of Washington. All right. So for the storm west of Washington, we're seeing 45,000 foot echoes. Actually, 48 for this part here in Hillsboro. Electro weather. It has to be lightning that's called out of the blue if the lightning alert says. I mean, okay, that's close. That's not possible. And that's not possible. Brad, that's just, I wouldn't even say that's possible. Because like, I mean, okay, I probably shouldn't say it's not possible. It's possible for, you wouldn't be typing anything if that happened. Pretty much what Electro Vibes just said. You probably wouldn't even be in here. Radical charge, please speak English only. Just so we can understand what everybody's saying. Because, and there's a reason why, just because so we can understand what everybody's saying. So basically, so everyone can understand what everyone's saying. So I mean, not anything against like the language, but I just want everyone to understand what everyone's saying. So, did anyone mention anything about me while I was gone? I didn't. Well, I mean, besides like mentioning you for mod, no. So, yeah, English only, yeah, please. I meant the lightning strike was actually 4.5 miles away for real. I mean, if it's that far, then yeah, okay. Hey Fish, how's it going? Yeah, how's it going, Fish gang? Hope you're doing well. It's got a lightning alert again. We still do have a bunch of flash flood warnings in effect. What part of Fairfax County are you near? I do not want to say. rather not say that because I don't want to give out my location, or my exact location, because privacy. Oh yeah, flash flood warnings all over. Very true. They are all over. Um, like the stream and sub, and don't forget to join our Discord server in the description. Take his words, please do it. I'd be very appreciated if you did it all. Thank you. But seriously, I'd be very appreciative if you did do it all. Make sure to do it. It would be very great if you did. So, anyways, we got some severe thunderstorms down here. So he can do that, but not me. I mean, he was speaking English. I mean, if he was like doing all the Japanese stuff, then I'd probably tell him to not, because English only in stream chats, because I want everyone to understand what everyone's saying, just so we can all be safe. I guess that makes sense, right? So it's flooding rain here. Oh yeah, please be safe, Cool Master. You are in a flash flood warning, so since you're in a flash flood warning, please be safe. If it gets really bad, move to the uppermost part of your house or building so you can stay protected from all the rain. So yes, be safe, Cool. Yes, please be safe. There's a lot of flash flooding out there today. A lot of flash flooding out there today, and especially in this area in the Mid-Atlantic. So yeah, the top of that Virginia cell looks interesting. This cell looks to be dying out. Maybe this part here looks interesting, but like all of this here is just dying out. It's dying out. The Southern Virginia. Oh, the Southern Virginia cell. Yeah, this is pretty interesting. Let me change radar stations. Oh, we got some interesting stuff going on out here as well, but all those look to be dying out as well. Turn around, don't drown. If you approach a flood, turn around, don't drown. That is good advice. Just really good advice. You can't even drive out. Wait, hold on. Life-threatening flash flooding. So this is life-threatening flash flooding. How flooded is it? Cool Master. Like, is it like really flooded? It says that there's life-threatening flash flooding. Super Saiyan Soaker. This is the most rain so far. Really hard. Getting bigger every second. The whole cell looks to be dying out. I'm in the red zone or orange. There's some relatively heavy rain in there. All the orange and yellow is moderate rain. So yeah, this is an example of heavy. This is an example of heavy rain. This is also an example of heavy rain. This is an example of moderate. All of this here is kind of an example of moderate as well. Example of heavy rain. So yeah, there's a lot in this. 20,000 lightning strikes per second in that thunderstorm for real. That's not happening. Brad, that is not happening. That's not possible. Relatively... these here look to be building. The echo tops here look to be building. 47,000 foot echoes. 44. Um, yeah, pretty much. Not happening, pretty much. Hope this is over soon. The flash flood warning expires at 10:30 p.m. So, oop, gotta go. All right, see you, cool master. Has it picked up any speed? Has it picked up any? Not actually, maybe a little. But that's very, very little. So maybe it's picked up a little speed. So yeah, this is weakening. Everything in DC or around DC is weakening, as I'm seeing. Yeah, it's losing steam, yeah. So I don't. It's crazy possible could produce a lot more lightning later on in the night. I mean, I don't know. Possible, but I don't know. You never know. There's some developing stuff right here, actually, which is kind of interesting. Little bullets, yeah. What do we have going out on over here? Nothing much, I guess, is going on over here. So that's dying out. We gotta grab this food. Alright. Not much over there. Not really. Looks like we got some stuff going on down south. Showers and storms west. There's a possibility that stuff could develop later. That's what I'm seeing, probably. Actual living weather. Can you please turn on the lightning? Lightning? I can't actually. I mean, it's probably because I don't got the pro version of radar scope, so well, I mean, I don't, so radical charge lives with Donald Trump. That's... hold on a second. should live on whether it should work on the non-pro version as well. I'll test it out later. I shall test it out later. Then, I guess. Okay, back. Welcome back, Electro Vibes. Hope you're doing well. Thanks, feeding the beast as I type. Wait, what do you mean by the beast? Like, Brad Cohen, you mean? Oh, feeding the hunger. Okay, now I get what that means. Okay. So I did not get what that meant at all. I mean, I did see you say it before, but interesting little pop-ups here. We're seeing little bullet cells coming up, like just little of these things here, which is kind of interesting. How tall are the bullet cells? Well, one of them is 17,000 foot echo tops. Those aren't even really bullet cells. Those are just probably like showers. Yeah, these are showers. Would not define them as cells. Define them more of as showers. Ninety thousand foot echo tops on the other bullet cell. My goodness. Brad. Okay. Oh, these look to be dying out, so who knows if they'll turn into something, and who knows if DC's gonna get hit tonight, because I don't know. I don't know if DC's gonna get hit tonight, or even just get anything in general. So, I would probably think, that, hold on, I can just check. I did not realize I could check. See, that's what's so great about technology. You get this. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. Somebody did come into my room. Really do apologize about that. Yes, as I was saying, technology. I mean, okay, so 15,000 foot echo tops with this one. So, let's play Electrical Weather Your Move. What? What about the thunderstorm just west of there? This one here has echo tops of 28,000 feet. At most of 28,000 feet, actually. Yeah, 28,000 feet. This one has, all of this year has 25. This year has 27. And this year has 26. And just do this, and then just check like this. On the, just the regular echo tops, it just says, well, the regular echo tops thing goes by, every 5,000. So this one here is saying 30,000 feet. Chess in a live stream. All right, that would be kind of strange in a weather stream. So, decent tops indeed, but not very high in my opinion. I've seen higher. Well, yeah, decently high, I guess. I'll just say decent. Right, that derecho has some high tops. I mean, the derecho had at most of like 55,000, which is actually really high. So, yeah. I mean, that derecho was... That was an insane derecho. That one was 58. Yeah, I think I remember seeing 58,000 foot echoes. So... Going to Fort Wayne. Oh. Yeah, Fort Wayne. Yeah, Fort Wayne was actually in a tornado warning, too. That was really concerning, actually. And the thing is, just the thought about it, a tornado warning in such a large city like that, it was insane. It was insane. That was a crazy stream. And I mean, seriously, like right when I saw that tornado warning pop, I was like, holy crap. That's in a big city. It was in a big city. Fort Wayne is a big city. So facts, Fort Wayne has 200,000 people in the whole city. Was wait, hold on, let me check. Fort Wayne population. Yeah, 200,000 people in 2018. So not to mention the surrounding suburbs. They were in the tornado warning as well. Yes. It was just insane. It sure was insane. Excuse me, insane. So what is the enhanced echo tops in the thunderstorm just south of Leesburg? That's the base velocity radar. I don't want to look at that. Why is my radar not working? Why is this not working? The heck happened? What? Guys, what? I can't... Oh, there we go. Okay, that was a little interesting. Alright, enhanced echo tops. Why? It's not letting me show echo tops, and then like the whole radar disappears if I try and do that, which I don't know why it's doing that. Let me restart the thing. Now, let me close my radar out because we don't need that open. So okay, this is a little awkward. Yeah, so weather event. It was a big weather event. Let's just say that. Looks like all the stuff is going away from DC, but although we are kind of seeing stuff down here. Let me see if the enhanced echo tops are gonna work. Yeah, they're not working. What? Alright. I guess I'll just check on... I don't know what's going on. Try regular echo tops? Sure. Disappeared. Restart it. Oh, there we go. And I just noticed that. Okay, so we're seeing at most of 40,000 foot echo tops in the cell just west of Manassas, or northwest, 5.6 miles. The place where that sinkhole happened, unfortunately. So, goodness. Prayers, indeed. This is actually still going. This cell here. This is a little awkward. I don't know why that's not working. The whole program's kind of bugging. Like, I can't even go back and forth. Okay, I can, but... I'll just restart it again. There's my old program. Is this working? This is working just fine. Cool. Base velocity is working. 25 mile an hour velocities in this storm here at most. See if enhanced echo tops are gonna work. Okay, this is a little awkward. I guess I won't use enhanced echo tops for now. I'm just gonna stay on this. I'm just gonna cover this area. What county is that? This county here, I believe, is Prince William County. This cell here is in Prince William County. Right on the border of another county. So it's on the border of Prince William County, and I'm gonna check what the other county is. Fauquier County. That did not sound right for a second. My. Oh God. Okay. Forget I said that. Okay. Let's not think about it anymore. Fauquier County. Anyways, yeah, okay, forget that. So yeah, that county, I don't know how it's pronounced. Like it's kind of like this. Let me put it in chat. Put in how it's worded, or I'm just gonna put in the name in chat. Is that how I spell it? So, okay. Fauquier? So it's Fauquier County. Okay, I'm saying it right. It's not. I don't want to say it because it doesn't sound that right. It doesn't sound right. So I'm just gonna stop saying it, that county name, because it does not sound right. So anyways, Fauquier. Okay. Fauquier. All right. All right. Just got a lightning alert. Now with the two E's, you're good. LOL, you're right. You had it right. All right. Anyways, it's on the border of Prince William County and Fauquier County. So that's where the cell is. And this is moving southwest, very nearly stationary. Is Fauquier County under a severe thunderstorm warning or not? They are not. So yeah, it is not under severe thunderstorm warning. This cell doesn't look to be as... it's not that big to be severe. Like, it's really small. There's no severe thunderstorm warnings in effect at the moment. This is all what we have here. Like, this is every warning. And most of the warnings in like the whole US are basically in Virginia, in the DC area. Probably just the DC area. That's where most of the weather alerts are around the whole country right now. Yeah, if I go out here, You can just see them all. Like they're all just stacked right over there, like in Virginia. They're all mainly in Virginia, which is very interesting. It's because there's this big I guess low pressure system that just came over, and that's just moving so slowly, which has just caused so much to happen. And like a lot of like most of the warnings are flash flood warnings. So is there any severe thunderstorm warnings anywhere in the DC? There's no severe thunderstorm warnings anywhere in the US. None. There's no severe thunderstorm warnings at all right now. Anywhere. It's all just flash flood warnings and one special marine warning. That's it. That is it. So on Prince William scanners now, alright. Not even any tornado warnings, no tornado warnings. Just flash flood warnings and one special marine warning. That's all we're seeing out of anywhere. There's no severe thunderstorm warnings in the country at all. In fact, anywhere. So I don't even know in Canada because like I'm not someone who pays attention to Canada's weather. I do just like this weather. So nope, just lots of rain. Sure, indeed. It's just a lot of rain. Basically what you said. So yeah, we're not seeing much. We are not seeing much. It is really quiet right now all over the place. Like all over the place, everywhere. It's quiet. I guess like right when I said it. I said it too soon. I said it too soon. What do you know? We got a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Montana. Earthquake warning until further notice. At 8:13 p.m., Electro-Living Weather smacked his keyboard so hard that it triggered a magnitude 10.8 earthquake. Oh. I mean, I wouldn't smack my keyboard that hard, but nice. That is nice. Oh my. Okay. Yeah, that was a little. That was great. Bruh. That is great. That was so great. Fish. Gotta stay focused. Yes, indeed. Man, that would be extremely damaging for the keyboard. What do you think? I mean, okay. Yes, obviously. It's quite obvious that would completely destroy my keyboard if I just hit my keyboard and then cause a 10 magnitude earthquake. Like, I probably wouldn't be here. All right, all right. We should get back to focus, cause anyways, hello Discord, Ayuda, how you doing? Please only speak English in these chats, please, so we can understand what everyone's saying, and be safe. So yeah, please. How fast is that thing moving? It's excuse me. It is moving. Okay, it looks to have sped up a little, but maybe it's just stuff forming. Yeah, all of this here is forming. Hey mate, could you check if it's going to rain in California, Campton? I can't like check if it's going to rain, but I can like show you what's going on right now in California. I mean, there's stuff all around near San Francisco, but not much right now. That's all I can tell you is what's going on live. So I do apologize about that. Nacho said he was gonna stream for 1 more hour, then he restarted stream, but instead we got a 2-hour stream. I mean, I just wanted to stream for how long I wanted to. I mean, Campton, what up, doe? My folks live out that way near Inglewood. He did his thing today. I actually did stream earlier, and then I stopped because I got like tired and I thought everything was done, but apparently I was wrong. And then, you know, I was like, oh crap, I probably shouldn't have ended the stream. And then here I am again streaming, and I'd honestly kind of say that this is still the same stream. I mean, restarted the stream. Yeah, okay, it's pretty much what it is. Brad, if it was 200 million lightning strikes per minute, that whole town would be in flames. Yeah, facts. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much for liking the stream and subscribing to my channel. Very much appreciated. I'm always appreciating anyone who subscribes to my channel or likes to stream or even turns on post notifications, just so you can stay updated with my latest streams. And also, if you want to join my Discord server, link is in the description. Would be very thankful if you did do that. But anyways, thank you very much for subscribing and liking the stream. Anyways, About the 200 million lightning strikes thing. Yeah, you're right, Fish Gang. Probably, yeah, the whole town would probably just be in flames. Not probably, it will be. Um, Also, my computer probably might crash because Lightning Maps is open. I mean, this would just crash my computer. So, okay, about Lightning. Here's what we have right now. And yeah, nothing much is going on. All the lightning in here has kind of died out. We still do have some spotty lightning there. Kind of few in this line up here, but not much. Would fry it trying to log all those strikes. Oh yeah, it would. Just trying to log all of the strikes on this in one specific spot. Yeah, that would kill my computer. It almost killed my computer from one of the storms that hit Philadelphia last month. That caused a flash flood emergency. So yeah, last month there was a flash flood emergency in Philadelphia. From like they got pounded by like 2 thunderstorms in a row, which was pretty bad. But anyways, yeah. About that. So, they did indeed, unfortunately, yeah. I really see almost non-stop lightning for real. I did show the lightning map, and I don't see that, Brad. And if you live in Burke, okay, Burke's around here. I don't know, it's not showing up on here, but I'm just gonna guess it's right around here. So right here is pretty much Burke, and I don't see anything around. I don't even see anything with this storm. So, Brad. And like the weather in San Diego. The only thing of rain in California is in San Francisco, or in San Jose and San Francisco area, I guess, if that's how it's said. But we just only have this one thing of rain, so nothing much going on. San Diego's weather is rather nice for us allergy sufferers. Could believe it. Not even a single lightning strike? Not even a single lightning strike is being pulled up on here. So yeah. Not one. So Good day to jump. No, please don't say that. Please don't say that. Please do not say that. I'm still live. When there's like nothing going on. Yeah, there's nothing going on. I'm just kind of doing this so we can all just talk. Yeah, that's no cool. Yeah, don't. Yeah, what he said is not like. Please don't say stuff like that in my chat. An extremely strong thunderstorms near Burke? Not really. There's not really anything near Burke. So, yeah, honestly, I just have the stream up so we can all just talk right now because, I mean, there's nothing going on. Maybe, I think soon I'm gonna end it because, like, there's not much going on. And really, there's not anything going on. Like, really, the main area of severe weather in the whole states is just... here. Can we take a look at the tropics? I think we should. Line of storms, Cumberland. There's a small little line there. I'd call it I probably just might call it more of a cluster. But, anyways, yeah, I mean, I think it would be good if I did check the tropics. Because, I mean, what's going on right now with the new tropical depression that's out there? Ouch. That's not nice. So, okay, let me get it all pulled up because... Alright. Alright, so now we're going to be reviewing the tropics. Alright, so... yeah, we do actually have a tropical depression out here, Tropical Depression 11. So, as we can see there, it is not yet Tropical Storm Josephine, but it could become Tropical Storm Josephine potentially very soon. Yep, 11. Located in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. Not Josephine yet. No, not Josephine yet. But yeah. So yeah, not Eastern Pacific is looking pretty active right now. Actually, we see 2 areas of interest, and those are going to become tropical storms or tropical depressions. They will, but most likely they will turn to tropical storms because, like, it's the Pacific has a lot right now. But anyways, actually, let's just get straight into the cone here. And now here's what we're seeing. This is the track and cone here, and as we can see, it's passing just above all of the little islands here. I don't know what the name of those islands though. I think it's Barbados or something. But all those islands there, I think Barbados might be one of these, but I don't know. It could be one of these. But anyways, let's just go and say these islands here. More of these islands right here are probably gonna see a little impacts from tropical storm Isai. I can't. There's something in me that's just makes me keep saying Isaias. Like Isaias. This isn't gonna be Isaias. This is gonna be Josephine. And like just talking about I'm switching. I'm switching. So yeah, talking about Isaias a lot last week. Just makes me have that it just makes me want to say Isaias. Like, I don't know, we've been talking about it so much last week, and now we're seeing Josephine, and so I gotta get used to saying Josephine, because Isaias is long gone. It's long gone. So yeah, it was an event. It was a complete weather event. Okay. Yeah. I mean, Isaias did a lot to the East Coast, especially the Carolinas. Unfortunately, of course, they had to get impacted by this after getting impacted by Dorian and Florence. So third year in a row, they got impacted. And will we see an impact from this thing? Potential Josephine. I'm just gonna call it Josephine now because it's gonna become Josephine in probably not even 24 hours, guys. Not even 24 hours. Not even 12 hours. I'm just gonna say it. Not even 12 hours. So this thing does have the potential to even impact the Carolinas, but I won't say that. I won't say that it will, because it's not a guarantee it will. Like, we can't guarantee that for sure. Right now, a lot of models are saying that it's gonna be a storm that'll just go out into the ocean like that and potentially hit Bermuda. But here's the thing, it could change, and it could just keep going up and going to the Carolinas, unfortunately, if it keeps going, and then potentially do what Isaias did. But we don't know that for sure. So I'm just gonna say all of this here is almost a well, I should probably say all of this here is probably what's going to happen. All of this here, I'm 80% sure it's gonna happen, and all of this here, I'm like 10 to 20% it's gonna happen. This here, I just don't know for sure. That usually whenever it comes to this here, it's really inaccurate. So yeah. We don't know where this is gonna go, because we just don't. Like, it's just not to the point yet where we know where it's gonna go. If it's gonna go out to sea, or if it's gonna, go up the East Coast, or impact the coast and go up the East Coast, or maybe just impact Florida or Georgia and just go out. but we don't know. So I say here this is official. This here is, I'm 80% sure it's gonna happen. This here I don't think it's, well, I'm 10 to 20% it's gonna happen. I mean, this here I'm like probably like 60% it's gonna happen. I mean, but this here I don't know. I don't know about this. And I don't even know if it's gonna go out to sea. Like, I don't know where it's gonna go. Let's go ahead and check the wind speed. And as we can see here, we do see that there's a potential for some tropical storm force winds. 50%. So, and this is within the next 5 days. So who knows? Things could change here. These here change a lot. They change a lot. So, yeah. But as we're seeing right now, some of these here are probably going to get impacted pretty significant. Not a direct hit. Like, a direct hit would be like this. That would be a direct hit. But they're just getting the little, kind of the outer bands of Josephine. I was so close to saying Isaias. Josephine. I have to force myself to say Josephine instead of Isaias. Yeah, I'm like forcing myself to say Josephine. But anyways, yeah. 50 knot wind probability. Very high winds, by the way. This means upper tropical storm. 10% in the lighter green, and around it in the green we're seeing 5%. But I don't think this is really a big deal because it is only out in the ocean. But yeah, I'm just thinking girl boy to not say Isaias. Honestly, I don't know. I'm just trying to force myself to say Josephine. So yeah. Gaia, what are the millibars? Let me go to this thing here. The millibars of this right now is at 1,007 millibars. So 1,007 millibars is the pressure of 11. Josephine, let's say come on, I can't talk, guys. I'm sorry if I'm struggling because I can't talk right now. It's probably just because I've been talking all day. Well, I mean, I haven't been talking all day, but I've been doing coverage for 2 hours, so I mean, 2 hours I've done longer, so I don't know what it is. Josephine. So that's pressure Josephine. What was I wanting to look at? I mean, there's not much for us to look at right now. Wind history. No history of tropical storm or hurricane winds. Warnings. Nothing. Nothing really. No sustained winds of tropical storm force 39 or greater. So that's all we can look at with this as of now. Actually, let's actually go on to tropical tidbits. I don't know if you guys know what that is. I did tropical tidbits. Okay. I'll discuss about this. So, Because this is another thing I can discuss about. Brad, that would end the world, bruh. That would end the earth. So, anyways, as we can see, this here is, obviously it's Tropical Storm Josephine. I'm going to say Josephine, not Isaias. And also, I'm going to say it's a tropical storm because it's pretty much there. So, Tropical Storm Josephine. So, obviously, that's it there. And as we can see there. But here's the thing. We do have this high pressure that's up here like this. Probably say it's more like this. But, yeah. So this here is pretty much just making it go in the path that it's going, but it moves out. Or there is actually another high pressure there, which is kind of interesting. But then it dies out, and then, you know, but there's a storm, Tropical Storm Josephine, and here's the high pressure. So it's basically just going up from the side of the high pressure. So, yeah, high pressure, which is actually going towards Europe there. We can see the high pressure, which is it's kind of forcing its path in a way, if that makes sense. But here's the thing. If there's a high pressure here, and if it does this, the Carolinas could actually see some impact, because it basically travels around the high pressure. So, but we do not know if that's going to happen, because here's the thing, we do not 100% know what's going to happen. But anyways, yeah. Looks like another high pressure did form there, or it does form there. So that's kind of forcing its path a little, trying to keep it south. But also, here's the thing. In this area here, there's a lot of dry air. So this basically means, there's a lot of dry air and wind shear. But here's the thing. It's going to end very soon. Basically right whenever it enters it, it's going to just almost end. So the question is, will it survive past this point, or will it die at this point? Because if it survives past this point, a lot could happen. A lot could happen. And if it stays down here, again, a lot could happen. It could become major. So it's all about where it goes, and if it's going to survive past the wind shear and dry air. But as we're seeing, we don't know what's going to happen. But it is potential that it could survive past. But if it survives past, it could potentially just be a storm that turned down to the Atlantic Ocean. If it sustains its current path, a lot could happen. There's a lot of warm sea surface temperatures in this area. So, which does mean that it could strengthen really quickly. Plus, with low wind shear and very moist air, so, and that could be bad news to the Carolinas if it does that. potentially the whole coast. Who knows? But it could pose a threat to the coast. Will it be another Isaias? Don't know. Right now, as I'm seeing, it's probably not. But don't take that as a guarantee, because it's probably gonna change. So yeah, again, it could die out before, or it could die out right when the wind shear ends, but it's potential that it could survive past the point. But then at that point, we need to look at path, because this could be a storm that'll just churn out, or a storm that'll just keep going and then just pose a threat to the coast. So it could die as it passes the windward islands. It could. It's possible, but I don't know. But this thing actually gets to the wind shear and dry air right when it's ending. So that's the thing. We don't know if it's gonna actually sustain itself going through all of that. So that's what everyone's questioning on. Is it gonna survive, or is it gonna die out? Very interesting situation. Very interesting situation. And the thing is, like, if this passes through and there's, once the wind shear, the dry air ends, there's going to be quite rapid development. So, that's the thing. And this could do a lot, especially if it goes up and poses a threat to the coast, especially the Carolinas. Really, this area here could see it if it continues to go into the same path, but I could honestly see more of this because of where it's tracking now. So I'm not saying it's going to be another Isaias. I'm just saying it's potential that it could go up the coast like Isaias did. Is it going to be another Isaias? Who knows? I don't know. No one knows yet. This is all we got. This isn't official. Like, going all the way out here isn't official. Like, who knows if there's gonna be like a hurricane down there. I mean, that looks to be a hurricane that we're seeing down there at this point. And who knows if this is gonna be a hurricane at this point. Who knows if that's gonna even exist, because they're so far out. So we can't 100% be sure that everything's gonna be official at this point because it's so far out. So yeah, way too far out. That is very true. New flood warning for Anne Arundel County. Really? Huh. That might have been extended. Anyways, continuing on tropical weather. Yeah, we don't know. We don't know what will happen. Wait, they just canceled it, really? Cluster storms Winchester. Yeah, it's moving away. Anyways, I think I'm gonna probably end the stream here because there's nothing going on. It's very, very, very quiet out everywhere. So, but tomorrow, DC, or, well, I probably shouldn't say DC, but I probably shouldn't say DC's at risk tomorrow. But there's an enhanced risk. Let me actually get to that now, because I probably shouldn't have said that. Just want to... Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it up now. So... here's what we're seeing for tomorrow. And as we can see here, we do have an enhanced risk. I did actually review this in last stream, but I'm just going to review it again in this stream. Just keep you guys safe and updated. But yeah, here is where we're seeing an enhanced risk. Just around that, followed by a slight, and around that, followed by a marginal. And we are seeing a separate marginal down there as well. So, tornado risk. We are seeing a 2% tornado risk tomorrow. And here's the thing. Minnesota. It has to be Minnesota. Do they need this? Not at all. But are they getting it? Yes, they are. And it's gotta be them. So, I said this in the last stream. They don't need it because they've been hit a lot last month. So, and they've been hit quite a bit this... Well, I think they've actually might have had a little break, but... yeah. Let's go and take a look at the hail outlook. And as we can see, a 15% in the yellow's there. And just followed by a 5% around it. Wind risk. And here's the reason why we got that enhanced. Because of the wind risk. Said in the last stream, it's because it's because of the 30% wind risk that we are seeing right here. And then followed by that 15% wind risk, and followed by that a 5% wind risk in the green. Just right here, we also do have a 5% wind risk down there. I think we did actually have something down here as well for hail, 5%. Did not review that last time I did see that. And here is for tomorrow, or tomorrow was the enhanced risk thing. So for the day after tomorrow, we're seeing a slight risk. And just followed by that around there, we're seeing a marginal. And then day 4, potential or predictability too low. So here was today. We had 4 different areas of marginal today. Marginal. So yeah, marginal there up in Minnesota, with another marginal in the Central Plains there, another marginal in the Mid-Atlantic, and with a marginal up here in the Central Plains with a slight around it, or inside of it. But anyways, very interesting for the Mid-Atlantic today. A lot of flash flooding, unfortunately. And I don't think I've ever seen this many flash flood warnings since Isaias in the Mid-Atlantic. I mean, it hasn't been that long since Isaias hit, but I mean, they unfortunately had to get hammered by what they got today. That Minnesota stays in a risk. Minnesota is just always in something. Like, they're always in something, which is the thing. So, do they need it? They don't. But anyways, let's go ahead and end the stream here. I do thank everyone for joining into or tuning into today's stream. I do very appreciate that. If you haven't, make sure to like the stream, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so you guys can get notified for my latest streams or potential videos, because I might be making videos maybe on the stream, which I never really do anymore, but might do it. So, oh my gosh, Radical. Radical, oh my gosh, don't spam like that, please. First, anyone watching, and to you, Twin. Yeah. Anyways, be safe, like and subscribe, please. I do kind of think that DC might be at risk tomorrow for more storms, but it's not official. I'm just thinking that because of all what's going on with stuff. Anyways, this does mark the end of my stream. I do thank everyone for watching. And will I be streaming tomorrow? Potentially. Quite possible. Because we do have an enhanced risk for tomorrow. So, but anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. And I will see you all later. Peace out, everyone.